Beautiful people, it is Marina here, and my video today is about how to keep your IG feed on brand. It is really important to create a branded look for our Instagram feed to increase brand recognition and brand loyalty. That way, when people are scrolling through mindlessly on the gram, they will recognize your posts. The first step is creating a Pinterest mood board. On Pinterest, you want to gather all the different inspirations, all the things that you love, from outfits to places to other people's content. Just create a mood board where you house all of that in one space. The next step will be to get your brand colors. So you will take a few images and you will upload them to a website called Collabs. And on there you can upload an image, and from there you can select different colors from the image and create a cohesive palette. The other way you can do this is to look in your closet and see the colors that you tend to wear the most, and then pick between 4 and 5 colors that you really like and create a palette. You want to decide on 2 to 3 brand fonts. These are the fonts that you're going to use across your website, across your social media. To find your brand fonts, you can use the combinations that Canva offers as your inspiration or as your base. The other way you could find some fonts is by finding an inspo image. Whether you find that image on Instagram or on Pinterest, you can save the image, upload that image to myfonts.com, where it will tell you exactly what the font is, or it will help you find a similar font. Now, this is one of my favorite things to do to keep my feed on brand, because I do love using pictures of myself, is to take on brand or branded photos of yourself. So wear your brand colors, and take some photos of yourself, but make sure that the background is also branded. If you constantly take pictures outside, keep that on brand. Also pay attention to the colors that are behind you, so that it's not like you have a purple wall and purple is not one of your brand colors, it just looks a little bit off. So be conscious of your background. Lastly, use a set of branded graphic templates. Graphic templates really help you create content really fast, but also helps you keep on brand all the time, because you don't have to design from scratch. And when you're not designing from scratch every time, you know that you're going to stick to your brand colors and to your brand aesthetic. I actually have a set of over 35 templates that are very easy to use and customize on Canva. All you have to do is just purchase the templates. They will live in your free Canva account, and you can just change up all the colors and change up all the fonts to match your own brand fonts and brand colors. And they're only 24 bucks. So if you want to purchase them, the link is in my bio. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Until next time, ciao!